YouTube, it's Ashley and I'm back to do another video, and I am super excited to this video because I got my new hair installed. This is the Peruvian body wave hair from Aliexpress. I will leave the vendor information in the description box, and I will leave the initial unboxing of the hair as well in the description box. So yeah, just got the hair installed. I just got back home. It's like midnight, and yeah, I just got the hair installed and I am absolutely loving the hair. So the hair is a sew-in, and I have a bit of like a side part going on at the top. There it is. And my leave out, my hair is natural, so yeah, all I did was straighten out the top of my hair. See, it blends really well. I just straightened the top of my hair. I applied a heat protectant spray first, and then I straightened my hair, and that was it. So yes, I have in 4 bundles of hair. I have it in 18, a 20, a 22, and a 24. And my stylist was able to fit all 4 bundles in my head because I told her I want my hair to be full. So please try to fit all the bundles in. And oh yes, she did. Okay. So this hair is the longest length is 24 inches. And I'm 5'3". And the hair goes up to here, which is right where my belly button is. So yeah, and I will show you guys the back. So that is how the hair looks. Now this is the natural state of the hair. Okay, let me show you what I did. When I got the hair, I washed it. I co-washed it with the Herbal Essence Totally Twisted conditioner, and it's the one in the purple bottle. And I deep conditioned it. I let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I did the scrunch method to get rid of some of the excess water with a towel. And then I put the bundles into braids. So I washed all 4 bundles, and each of the bundle I put the rest of the hair into a braid, and I let it air dry on a hanger, and it dried and came out with this pretty curl texture. I hope you guys can see that. I'll come up close so you guys can see it. So yes, this is the curl pattern that it has now, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love this hair, you guys. Like, if you guys cannot tell that I love the hair, then obviously I'm not going to doing a good job at it. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. No complaints at all, like none. I love how it's long and it's full, because I like my hair very full. So yeah, absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and the hair is still super soft after I washed it. Hair is super soft still, and yeah, no tangles. Absolutely love it. And yeah, I have not cut any layers or anything in the hair, and I don't know if I'm going to, because I do have like layered lengths, because I do have different lengths, right? So I don't really think I'm gonna go ahead and cut more layers in it, because I really love the fullness of it already. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is definitely my initial install review. Loving the hair so far. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Please look out for my other update videos on the hair. And yes, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my another video.